Let's get started on customizing the privacy policy page. This is a pretty quick and straightforward page. Every website should have a privacy policy, and I made it pretty easy for you to just fill in a lot of the blanks. So let's get started on just making a quick customization to this little area. So if you wanted to change out the box shadow or the image, just click on the image here and then drag and drop or select the file. Click on design and then click on box shadow, and then you can change out that color here. And then once that's done, you can click Save. This button is already saved to the homepage link. So if you want to change this link, just scroll down to Link and then change out the dynamic content. If you want to make it something other than a homepage, then you would need to change out the text up here as well. And then if you want to change out the dynamic content, you would delete that homepage link, and then you would change it by clicking on whatever type of link you want to create. So once you've done that, click Save. And then scroll down here, and basically all you're going to have to do here is just input your information wherever it's needed and make adjustments based off of your privacy policy. So I just basically made it placeholder content. All you have to do is fill in the blanks, and then just make sure to scroll all the way through and read through and input your information where it's needed. So once you're done with that, click Save. And then we'll move on to that sign up page if you have a sign up offer, and if not, then you can go ahead and skip that.